the most trusted tech channel on YouTube. Few days ago, I brought you a video on how to split image in Photoshop. You can simply slice any text or a video to two or many parts and do some styles to make it look so embarrassing to viewer. Let's go to the video demonstration now. I first open a new file with the dimension suited for the Facebook portrait post. You can open your file with any dimension. Now click on the layer panel and make sure that the layer panel is open like this. Now I get a new layer above the background. I get the text tool and type here, slice me text. I make the font size bigger and place it center to the background. Now, I right click on the text layer and select raster size type option. That raster size option lets you to cut and manipulate the element the way you want. Let's select the polygon lasso tool and draw the selection of the area you need to slice from the text. To end the selection, make sure the starting point meets the end point in the selection. Once the selection is shown, click the Move tool or simply press V key in the keyboard to get the Move tool and move the slides part of a bit away from the text. Now press the Ctrl plus X key and again press Ctrl plus V keys to paste the slides element. Get the Move tool and place it where you need. Now you can select the slide layer and do some style with blend in option like this. Now you learned how to slice a text and this time I will show you another way of slicing a photo or an image. For that, open any photo in Photoshop. I will open this guitar photo for the work. I will slice guitar from here. For that, right click on the guitar layer and select the Converter to Smart Object option. Now again right click on the Smart Object layer created for the guitar and this time choose the Rasterize option. Now get the Polygonal Lasso tool and make a selection of the area that needs to be cut out from the guitar. Now get the Move tool and move it a bit away from the original shape. Press the Ctrl plus X key to cut the slide shape and again press the Ctrl plus V key to paste the slide part back. Now move the slide part to where necessary and do the styling with the blend in option. Hope you could learn another interesting quick tip today in Photoshop. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe and bell icon too. Leave us a like to the video if this video is helpful to you. Alright, we will meet back soon with a new video released to this same video series. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day. Bye bye.